Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A52 versus the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. And the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 processor with a 6GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A52 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8GB of RAM. Also on the back we have quad cameras on both these two devices. We have a main 48 megapixel main camera on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to 64 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization on my A52. And definitely and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, it is a lot cheaper phone than the Samsung Galaxy A52. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones is completely off. Now let's start off with a boot up test between these two devices. Here we go. And the logo is here just a tiny bit more faster on the Redmi Note 10 followed by the Galaxy A52. And both phones is running on Android 11. We have a Samsung One UI 3.1 as compared to MIUI version 12 on the Redmi Note 10. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. We have this Mi logo versus Samsung Galaxy logo. And you can see on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 it is just a tiny bit more faster when it comes to booting up. Be the Galaxy A52, about 1 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that and both phones has a very similar display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on both these two devices. We have a 90Hz refresh rate display on my A52 as compared to normal 60Hz on the Redmi Note 10. But we have a punch hole on the center which is a little bit more smaller on the A52 than the Redmi Note 10. And guys, everything is closed up in the background. No app is running in the background. Now let's start off with the phone dialer. Here we go. And that is more faster on the A52 followed by the Redmi Note 10. So next on the list is the settings on both phones. That is feels more faster on the A52, just a tiny bit more faster there. Let's see Amazon shopping, and that is definitely more faster on the A52 followed by the Redmi Note 10. So now let's see the scrolling, and in this area A52 it is a much smoother phone than the Redmi Note 10. So now let's see Subway Surfer on both phones, and that is faster on the A52 as you can see, while the Redmi Note 10 is take a lot of time and now it is also done. And that's a huge difference between these two devices which is obvious. Now let's see the pinout on both phones. Again, just a tiny bit more faster on the A52 but not a huge difference, about half a second difference in this game application. Now let's see the Temple Run 2 on both phones, last game application we have in this speed test. And A52 it is completely done, while the Redmi Note 10 now it is also done. So again, huge difference. Now let's see Spotify, and faster on the A52, at the end exactly the same. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is exactly the same, no difference there. Let's see Snapchat, that is more faster on the A52 again. And one thing it is also really unique on the A52 is that when you go to the camera application and when you go to the right there, and this is a mode which is called as fun, and this won't give you a Snapchat filters right in your camera application. Instagram faster on the A52 definitely. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, that is more faster on the A52 followed by the Redmi Note 10. Now let's see the internet browser speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on my A52 as compared to Google Chrome on the Redmi Note 10. Now let's see wikipedia.org, and that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is feels more smoother on the A52 as compared to the Redmi Note 10. So guys, now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and again we have 8GB of RAM as compared to 6GB of RAM on the Redmi Note 10. Now let's see phone dialer, that is refresh. Let's see settings, and that is not refresh. Amazon shopping, and that is definitely refresh on the Redmi Note 10. Subway Surfer, again refresh. Let's see pinout, again refresh. Let's see Temple Run 2, Refresh again on the Redmi Note 10. Let's see Spotify. Same result. Let's see the Twitter. That is refresh. Let's see Snapchat. Again refresh, and you can see every application it is refresh on the Redmi Note 10. I don't know why. While the A52 is perform incredible in the RAM management because we have 8 GB of RAM as well as Samsung One UI optimization. Instagram. Refresh again. Last we are back to the internet browser, and that is not refresh on the Redmi Note 10. So guys, overall I have to say regarding the apps opening speed is definitely more faster on my Samsung Galaxy A52 because of the Snapdragon 720G. And as you can see that not a huge difference between these two devices, but still A52 is faster in every game application than the Redmi Note 10. And also Redmi Note 10, it is not a smooth phone. I see a lot of lags in the UI on the Redmi Note 10, while the A52 so far it is really smooth. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the A52 as compared to the Redmi Note 10. I have the RAM management will improve with some software updates on the Redmi Note 10. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Galaxy A52 versus the Redmi Note 10. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the A52, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.